is cold. The net is empty once again, searching for the pieces of a heart that's broke in vain. Beside the charcoal fire where I turned my back on you, the shadows of my failure are all that I can view. But in the morning mist, a voice calls from the shore. A fire's burning bright like it never did before. Come and have your breakfast, you whisper to my soul. The warmth of your forgiveness is making me feel whole. Do you love me? You ask with eyes of grace, moving past my shadows, looking at my face. 3 times I denied you, 3 times you call me friend. Your love has no boundaries, your mercy has no end. You know my every scar, the places where I fell, but you prepare a table where my weary soul can dwell. Not a word of judgment, just a meal for me to share. I find my strength to rise again in the power of your care. Feed my lambs and follow me despite the heavy past. A calling born of mercy, a love that's meant to last. I'll step out on the water, I'll walk into the light, for your presence is my comfort through the darkest night. By the charcoal fire, my heart is made anew, restored and redeemed. I find my life in you again. I'll follow you.